Hi, I'm Eleanor from MotorMatters with Levtrade and Burnshield. We spend a lot of time on the road, on our way to and from work, visiting friends, shopping, or even going on holiday. But often there are times when drivers are on the road in unfavorable conditions and accidents happen when you least expect them. So it's always good to be prepared and have a first aid kit in your car.
Every first aid kit really should cover the basics, and that's cuts, burns, bleeding and CPR are ideal to cover all of those. Now the domestic motorist kit from Burnshield does give you all of those. Just have a look here. You've got, of course, your adhesive bandages or plasters. That would cover just minor cuts, scrapes, or something like that. And when you come across it, you grab, of course, your sterile wipe in conjunction with a cleansing wipe. And you can use both of these to clean off that bleeding wound. And then you take, of course, your cleansing wound cleaner and you pour it onto the wipe to treat and clean up that cut or wound. Another very big advantage of this cleansing liquid from Burnshield is the fact you don't have to dilute it. You use it straight out of this bottle, and that is a major advantage. Now, of course, if there happen to be burn wounds, well, look here, you've got your Burnshield ready to apply straight onto that wound to keep it treated immediately, because burn wounds need quick response and quick treatment. Most important. You've also got scissors or tweezers over here. You may have to cut the bandage, you may have to cut off clothing, anything of that sort, or there could be items or objects like glass shards inside a wound that you want to remove before you apply a pressure bandage on it. And then finally, we've even got our CPR mouthpiece over here. If very sadly one of the people you come across actually requires CPR, there you go. You use that to protect yourself and put a shield between yourself and the person whose life you could just be saving.
It's important to regularly check and replenish the contents of your first aid kit, ensuring that items are not expired and are in good condition. Additionally, consider including any personal medications or specific items you may require based on your individual needs or medical conditions.